All right, guys, I'm losing it with this coronavirus thing. So what we're gonna do is the long-awaited ToolBox tour. Not really. I'm not doing a ToolBox tour, but what I am gonna do is review some of the tools from my toolboxes. The Ev is going, ah! So I'm not gonna do all the tools that I have because that'd be ridiculous. You'd be here for months. It'd be thousands and thousands of videos. We're just gonna do some kind of highlights. That's it. One tool per video, and I'll do my best to put all the descriptions and you know, links and part numbers and all the other stuff that I can find about them in the video. So here we go. Okay, tool number one, Snap-on screwdriver. Yeah, I said Snap-on. Hopefully this is the only Snap-on tool that I put in this video series because, you know, Snap-on. Overpriced junk for the most part, but some of their stuff is good, and this is one of the good ones. I got this screwdriver when I was 15 years old, so over 26 years ago. There you go, give you an idea how old I am. The part number on it is SSDMR4B. Let me see if I can. I've had this a long time. Everything's worn off of it, right? I actually just oiled it before making this video because it was kind of hard to turn this mechanism. So it, you know, it's got a little pouch back here where you can hold some bits. Whoops, we'll dump on it. So you know, I still have, like, this is a T27. It's got the Snap-on logo on it. I've probably lost and broke half the stuff that came to you. Oh, that's terrible. You see the rust? It's all rusty in here. Rusty. So yeah, I've had this a long time. I've probably lost it a few times and find it again. But yeah, you can see I don't really look after it too well. But this thing has been a workhorse. I mean, I've used this for decades, and I've put vice grips on it, and, you know, wheeled on it and hit it with hammers and ran over it with a forklift, you know, you name it. This thing has been through the wars, and it just keeps going. There's a little bit of a gap that's developed between where you can go from forwards and reverse, and then also to lock it. Something's starting to get loose in here, but Jesus, you can't ask for better than that. You know, almost 3 decades of abuse. That's a pretty good tool. So, you know, still works, it still locks, and you can still, you know, reverse, forward. The magnet at the end of it still fairly strong. Let's see if I can demo that for you. So, yeah, I mean, it still, you know, still works. And yeah, it's just a really great tool. I can't say enough about this screwdriver. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I would assume they do. I think it's kind of one of their staples. I'm not even sure if they make it or just put their name on it, but you know, there's a whole bunch of numbers on the back here. Oh, there's patent numbers and all kinds of stuff on the back, but again, completely worn away. You're not really probably going to be able to see that. Great tool, would highly recommend it if you ever buy anything from Snap-on, or if you only ever buy one thing from Snap-on. Well, I really like their ratchets too, but this is a really great buy, really great screwdriver. I beat the snot out of this thing forever, and it just keeps working. The shaft's a little loose on it too, but again, it's so many years of abuse. I'm surprised the thing still even works. So, great little tool. Highly recommend this one. You know, if you're in the market for a screwdriver, or you want to buy a Snap-on screwdriver, you know, even if the Snap-on guy doesn't come to you, you can't go wrong with one of these. Great little tool.